Oh no, Beto. That's the reaction today after presidential candidate Beto O'Rourke live streamed his visit to the barber, where he got a back massage and had his ear hair trimmed.
We're cutting out some of this ear hair that you get when you get older.
The barbershop live stream comes on the heels of a trip to the dentist earlier this year.
White House counselor to the president, Kellyanne Conway, tweeting, "Oh no, Beto, stop forcing us to look in your mouth at the dentist or hear about your ear hairs at the barbershop."
And President Trump got yet another challenger today, New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio. That makes 23 Democrats vying for the nomination.
Donald Trump must be stopped. I've beaten him before, and I will do it again.
These two guys really despise each other. Earlier this week, de Blasio held a press conference inside the lobby at Trump Tower.
President Trump is taking us away from the solutions we need to global warming.
Trump supporters rode the escalators behind de Blasio with signs reading, "Worst mayor ever." They played loud music to drown him out. It was so loud, de Blasio couldn't hear questions from reporters. The president blasted de Blasio, tweeting, "He is a joke, but if you like high taxes and crime, he's your man. New York City hates him." Don Jr. chimed in. Maybe New York City mayor should clean up his backyard first. This video from this morning should tell you all you need to know about his leadership. What a clown show. It turns out the garbage along Fifth Avenue was left behind by fans of the K-pop band BTS, who camped out for days to see them. The mess has since been cleaned up.